Hi, this is Pragya Jaiswal. Our film Akhanda is releasing on the 2nd of December, and I'm really excited about it. Working with Balakrishna sir has been a wonderful experience. He's not just a wonderful co-actor, but a very, very inspiring person. So much to learn from him each day. He just brings in so much positive energy every single day on set, and it's been nothing less than inspiring, amazing, and wonderful experience working with him. And this is the second time I'm working with Boyapati sir. He is one of the most efficient directors that I have ever worked with. Efficient is not the right word, but one of the best directors I've ever worked with. He has such a great vision, clarity, and conviction about what he does that you are just, you just get into that world and you want to believe everything that he tells you, every story. So great experience working with Boyapati sir again. And like you can see, it's been a wonderful experience working with Boyapati sir and Balakrishna sir. And I feel this duo, it's a terrific duo. And this combination has been a success in the past. So I'm very excited for you all to see what we've done in this film. And this is also the second time I'm working with the production house, Dwarka Creations. Miryala Ravinder Reddy has a wonderful team, and working with him has been a smooth sail. He just makes everything so easy and comfortable for actors so that we can perform our best. So working on this film Akhanda has been a memorable journey and a great experience. My character in the film is something very different and unique, something that I've never played before. So I'm very excited for you all to see, and I hope you all like me. I'm playing an IAS officer in the film, but the rest you will know when you go and see the film. And the music of the film is by Thaman. He's done a brilliant job. As you all have heard the songs and the BGM in the trailer, you can already see that it's power packed and it's like a trance, and it takes you to a different world. So Thaman has created this world with Boyapati sir, and it's nothing short of like, he's done a fantastic job, and I can't wait to see what we have in the film. And I want all of you all to come and watch our film Akhanda in the theaters near you on the 2nd of December and enjoy this action-packed entertainer. And I hope you all love it as much as how much we have loved making it for you. Thank you.